Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking. My name is Heather, and today is not a recipe video. No, instead it is a review video of this beautiful rocker from Cecarol and the end table or the side table, whichever table over there. I'll have to tell you right now that I am outside on my porch enjoying this, and the cicadas are joining in, so I do apologize for the cicada noise if you can hear it. All right, a couple weeks ago, the folks over at Cecarol asked me if I wanted to review a rocker and an end table. And I was like, I'm in Texas, of course I do. Hello, everybody has rocking chairs on their porch in Texas, right? Right. So they sent it to me, and you guys, when it arrived, it was huge. I was like, there's a rocking chair in there? And I was like, oh, right, there's a rocking chair and an end table. No. This box, there was just a rocking chair. The end table actually arrived the next day. I opened it up to make sure that nothing was damaged in shipping, and you guys, I had a blast putting this thing together. And as I put it together, and I realized just how big it is, this could fit me and my grandbaby. Anyway, I love the design, and I love that it's not actually wood. Now, I know people are like, hello, don't you want a wood rocking chair? No, not here in Texas, because the humidity will really warp the wood and maybe make it so that it doesn't last so long. I am happy to report that this chair and end table has seen its way through several storms and still looks as brand new as whenever it came out of the package. There was a flood a few weeks ago in Dallas, and the rain was coming sideways into this porch, and you guys, this stood up. It is beautiful. I absolutely love it. This is, in fact, I love it so much that, don't tell my husband, but.
Is there something you forgot to tell me?
Yeah. So we got another one because we couldn't share this rocking chair. So you guys, I don't know. This is a really amazing rocking chair, and I am really happy with it so far. And another fun fact about this is they look great inside. Do you want to see? So as you can see here, it fits in my living room very, very well. If someone was to come to the house and walk into my living room right now, they would not think that there was an outdoor chair on the inside. So as you can see, it is huge and it rocks so fantastically. This one is actually the one that we just put together after the other one arrived. And with my husband's help, it took us all of 8 minutes to put it together. That's it, just took 8 minutes. And it comes with a hex screw, the directions, and a sanding sponge. Now the sanding sponge I was a little confused about at first, but because this is a polyplastic design, if for some reason you get a scuff or something else, you can actually use the sanding sponge to sand down the area that is scuffed. Because it is a full material, it's not just covered in this nice finish, which this is the coffee finish, by the way. It's just not covered in it. The whole chair is made of the same thing. So if I use the sanding sponge on the edge of the chair, I'll just get more chair, if that makes sense. So this design is really awesome. And I love the fact that it's not gonna weather outside later. So the assembly instructions are pretty easy too. I mean, there are 5 steps before the 6th step is to enjoy your chair. So it only comes in like 6 pieces. Let's see. So it comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces, not 6. And you guys, this is one of those things where I am so grateful that they reached out to me and that I was able to do this review for them, because this is going to make my outdoors just the most fantastic ever, because these chairs are fantastic. They're huge. They fit every body style, and they are amazing. People will be coming into my house like, oh yeah, hi, how's it going? Oh, that is an amazing chair. That's huge. Can I sit in it? And there is absolutely nothing about these chairs that I would change. You know how sometimes when you're reviewing something, someone is like, oh, well, you know, it's good, but maybe a little bit of this, or it's good, but maybe that. No. Ease of use, the quality of this design, the most comfortable of things. You guys, I really like this. And for the record, it does fit through every standard size door when it's all put together. And it doesn't even weigh that much. So if you are in the market for a new rocking chair for your front porch, if you live in the South or anywhere, really, you should check out Cecarol's rocking chair and possibly their end table, because as you can see, it looks fantastic in here. All right, you guys, well, I really hope that you enjoyed that review as much as I enjoyed doing it for you, because I am so excited. I know I've already said it, I'm gonna say it again. So excited about this product right here. And I'm glad that it's gonna last me 4 years. It's gonna last until I get a grandbaby, which probably won't be for another 7 to 10 years, but that's okay because this is still gonna be around. That's how confident I am in this product. All right, you guys, if you enjoyed that, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I do videos several times a week about recipes. So if you're on this video and you're just here because you wanted to see the design of this bad boy, I encourage you to check me out on YouTube or Facebook. I do recipe videos. I'm an everyday cook and we have a lot of fun. So once in a while, I do videos that aren't related to cooking. I mean, this is kind of related to cooking. I can sit in it and eat my dinner, or sit in it and pass out candy to the trick-or-treaters. Aha, I just might do that. This will be a great, instead of sitting in a folding chair on the porch, I'm gonna be sitting in style on the Cecarol rocking chair. All right, you guys, well, I will see you on the next adventure. Look at that. It is so smooth to rock in. I absolutely love this chair. It may not go back to my porch. It may just have to stay right here in the living room, because honestly, it matches the living room. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Cecarol. You're amazing.